Leaked Zanu PF Operation, Silence the Blue. The 16th of August 2025, by Investigative Desk, a leaked internal brief, allegedly prepared for Zanu PF security operatives, has revealed a chilling plan codenamed Operation Silence the Blue, which seeks to publicly target a police officer in order to instill fear within the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, reassure Chinese allies, and divert public attention from corruption scandals. According to the document, the strategy is to destroy one police officer publicly to scare the rest into submission. Assistant Inspector mnangagwaZim of Mashonaland East is identified as the prime target, selected for having enough rank to appear important, but lacking sufficient influence to resist the campaign. The brief outlines a calculated smear, accusing mnangagwaZim of stealing a police Ford Ranger, while attributing to him fabricated anti-China statements, including a supposed ultimatum: Chinese must leave Zimbabwe within 48 hours. To further inflame public opinion, the officer is also falsely quoted as declaring, "If you love your country, support me." The plan directs that an all-stations order be issued for mnangagwaZim's arrest, with state media briefed to amplify the case and ensure nationwide focus. It further recommends portraying him as a national security threat who warned of conflict if detained, thereby reinforcing the image of the police as dangerous without Zanu PF control. A dramatic, camera-ready arrest is described as central to the operation, with convoys, armed units, and handcuffs used to project the state as a stabilizing force. The planned headline is said to be, ZRP diffuses threat to national peace. Beyond the staged spectacle, the brief instructs that the incident be used as justification for a purge within the police, intensifying loyalty checks and surveillance against officers suspected of disloyalty. It also underscores the importance of privately assuring Beijing of Harari's commitment to defending Chinese interests, while publicly condemning mnangagwaZim's alleged anti-China rhetoric to strengthen ties with the Chinese government. The concluding note of the document starkly states, mnangagwaZim's fate irrelevant, purpose served. Analysts who reviewed the contents warn that the plan, if authentic, represents a systematic attempt to weaponize fear, silence dissent within law enforcement, and distract Zimbabweans from governance failures and corruption scandals. Citizens are being urged to look beyond the official narrative, with civil society leaders cautioning, "This is not about law and order. It is about controlling minds and making even the police fear their own shadow."